As you all know, Mrs. Durga Satheshwaran is the founder and the patron of Shakti's Nartanalayam. Mrs. Durga Satheshwaran has got a bachelor's degree in arts. She is a Natya Kalavitagar, choreographer, teacher and a performer.
She started learning the art of Bharatanatyam at the age of 5, and by the age of 26, she passed the teacher's examination conducted by Sangeeta Sabai, receiving the award title Natya Kalavitakar in 2006. Mrs. Durga studied at the University of Jaffna and graduated with a degree in Bachelor of Arts. After her degree, she joined as a dance teacher in school. At the same time, in Sri Lanka, she also started her own dance academy, Shakti's Nartanalayam, in 2005 with around 60 students enrolling, many of which have now become dance teachers themselves.
In 2006, Mrs. Durga received the honorary award Lavanya Nartana Mayuri from the International Hindu Mother Gurumar. In Sri Lanka, she also has worked as an examiner and as a judge. After her marriage, she moved to London in 2011, where she continued the dance academy. Her students also participate in yearly examinations conducted by the exam board UFA.
Not only has she been a dance teacher for the Tamil community, she has also been working as a dance teacher in the Malayali Association, Briska, for more than a decade now. In her dance academy, she is now teaching more than 70 students who also perform every year in various dance programs, showcasing their talents. We take this opportunity to welcome Mrs. Durga Satheshwara to deliver a welcome speech.
வணக்கம். ஆடற் கரசனாம் நடராஜ பெருமானது பொற்பாதங்களை வணங்கி எனது பெற்றோர்களின் நல்லாசியுடன் சக்தி நர்த்தனாலய மாணவிகள் பங்கேற்கும் ஆனந்த நடன நிகழ்வினை சிறப்பிப்பதற்காக இங்கு வருகை தந்திருக்கும் பிரதம விருந்தினர் திரு சஞ்சய் சாம்பு அவர்களையும் சிறப்பு விருந்தினர் திரு சாஜன் செபாஸ்டியன் அவர்களையும் வருக வருக என வரவேற்கிறேன். மற்றும் எமது கலை நிகழ்வுகளை கண்டுகளிப்பதற்காக இங்கு வருகை தந்திருக்கும் அனைத்து உறவுகளையும் சக்திஸ் நர்த்தனாலயம் சார்பாக வரவேற்பதில் பெரும் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகின்றேன். மேலும் எமது கலை நிகழ்வுகள் யாவும் சிறப்பாக அமைவதற்கு உங்கள் ஆதரவை நல்குமாறு மிகவும் தாழ்மையுடன் கேட்டுக்கொண்டு உங்களிடமிருந்து விடைபெறுகின்றேன். Good evening and a very warm welcome to all the wonderful people present here today. It's a pleasure to start this auspicious annual dance show. I heartily welcome our honorable chief guest, Mr. Sanjay Sambu and Mr. Sergeant Sebastian, who took out their precious time in order to grace our event. It is wonderful to see such an amazing gathering for the show today. The highlight of the event, which most of us have been waiting for, is the annual cultural dance performance. Culture is an important part of our upbringing, and it's because of our culture who we are today. We should consider ourselves privileged that we are getting to showcase the cultural glory throughout this dance event. Again, I welcome everybody with all my pleasant greetings. I request your cooperation throughout this dance performance for its grand success. So, get ready for all the delight and excitement. Hope you all will have a great time. Thank you.